guys, I'm Annisa Suvia. In this video, I will show you how I do my makeup for college. Okay, for those who are curious, please keep on watching. First, I use Garnier Serum Cream. Second, I use a primer Pixie Make It Glow. Third, I apply matte powder with brush to entire surface of the face. Fourth, I use brand YOU blush to make it look fresh. Fifth, trim your eyebrow using an eyebrow brush. Last, I use two lipstick. The first is to smear to the entire of the peripheral brand. Next, I use Amina Creamy Tint Shake Cherry Soda to the center of the lips, usually called ombre lips. Finally, this is my makeup to college every day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye!